we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of MSI Aegis ZS2 gaming desktop. That's include serious performance for gamers and creators. Enjoy serious speed and the ultimate power efficiency with AMD Ryzen 9 7900 CPUs for gaming and creating, featuring 12 cores and 24 processing threads. Simplistic design. Enjoy the latest generation of Windows 11 Home for your everyday needs. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business use. Max FPS Max Quality. Powered by AI NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPUs are beyond fast for gamers and creators. Powered by the new 4th Gen Tensor cores and optical flow accelerator on GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, DLSS 3.5 uses AI to create additional frames and improve image quality. Liquid cooling. With MSI's exclusive 240mm CPU liquid cooler, Aegis RS allows maximum heat dissipation and handles the most hardware-intensive games without breaking a sweat. Turn on the bright lights. With the built-in RGB lighting, take your gaming experience to the next level by pressing the MSI LED button to cycle through lighting options. Customize lighting even further with MSI Center software. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.